Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another video, and this video is Bybit future trading. So if you want to learning from Bybit future, I hope you will stay with me and keep watching my video. So first of I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Traveling. Here is 2.1 but Crypto Traveling uploaded in this other part uploaded in this site. So if you those information, please subscribe and press the bell. You will receive all notifications fastly. So now I go to my main topic, and I share to with how to earn from the Bybit future trading. So I go to my Bybit future trading sponsor. So it's a long time. So I try to very fastly to learning to you. So if you future trading, so you will be day by day earning in this site. So and also you can little investment in Bybit plan. Now how to earning from future trading in Bybit. I show you. If you some dollar have, so you can easily mine it. Okay, so now how to process of future trading is only trading board. So trading board is automatically board, so you can easily buy and easily automatically trading in this site. It's simple to learning in this site. Okay, now here is my balance. Here is a 0.2344 USDT available in my balance. So it's not my funding balance available here, but I show you. So if you have a small USDT, you can easily deposit in trading or in this site. How to trading in this site, I show you. You need to have trading book. Okay, so first of all was this option. I click this option now and select any option here. There is already 4.33 USDT available here, and already I have earned from this plan as 1.166. Okay, so here is some USDT earning, and also how to stop it in earning in this detail always have available here. So now I go to a new create and simple deposit. Okay, so I create this a new project, and other project I already will be added this my video description box. So if you search this in Bybit option, you can easily go to this plan and you can copy it. Now I create this both, so it's working, and select a future grid option. Please explain it. You must be follow this future grid board. Okay, so if you select tone and other strategy option, no, but I choose the sim the DOGSUSDT. So So I type DOGSUSDT. Okay, I already selected this DOGSUSDT, but already up it's upping. Now select this long option and select this manual option. Okay, uh, I already selected manual option. Okay, it's this create a option. You must be follow this smart fill option, or choose this any on thinking how to go in this coin in future. So it's depend on your thinking. Okay, now I select this option. Okay, now I select this option. Here is a already price is increasing 7. Okay, I click this 7. Yes, 7 is helpful to. Yes, now, and what's the going on this price? Okay, I select this 3. Okay, is fill up. Okay, now you choose this grid option. You can increase your grid option, and you can uh, decrease this your grid. Okay, grid is already follow the link how to profit in this option. Okay, so if you to increase your grid option, okay, you choose this plus option, and if you reduce your grid, so you can place this minus option. Okay, and you choose this your leverage option. Okay, you can choose your leverage 1 to 0 20%. I fully completed. Now minimum investment available here, so is for help to you. How many years I choose this grade get 50 25. Okay, now I choose this option, and now minimum option 0.014 and 14. Okay, okay, and I fill up is all information, my uh, available balance show you, and now click this create option. Okay, yes, you can follow this. Okay, here's my profit gate and 25 on my deposit option, deposit balance. Okay, deposit, and now I investment option. Okay, now confirm option is created successfully, and it a working. Okay, it's working. I also request you, please, if you follow my bot, you can must be follow this. Okay, so here's my future grid option, spot grid and DCA. I always time preferable to code USDT. Sorry, future. So I share to you the bot code. If you follow this, you will be earning. Already it's going earning. So if you follow this, you must be follow. I must be follow this share this share view both ID. So if you follow this, you will be easily earning. Okay, that's the information video. That's the information.